Hey everyone, welcome back to the Model Factory. So I have a final video here on the 77 Pontiac Trans Am that I have been building. Sorry, I haven't done any progress videos on this, just haven't really had the time. But I did want to get this to you guys so you could see what it looked like all finished up. So later today I am going to be giving this to my dad. We're going over to see them for Labor Day. By the way, happy Labor Day everyone. But we're going to go over there and see them, and so I am going to give this to him. So I wanted to shoot a real quick video here and let you guys see how it came out. So first and foremost, it's a really basic, build, pretty much box stock. I didn't go crazy with this, didn't really do any, customization, not a lot of aftermarket parts, just kept it pretty much right out of the box. Added a couple small things, but that's about it. So, it is the, Smokey and the Bandit car. So, it's, looks just like that. It's the famous movie car, and all of that. So we did it to match that exactly. Also, my dad wanted this to be like, bone stock, how it would have looked from the factory. If you haven't been following along, then you'll know that I'm building this for my dad because he designed these wheels on the 1-1 car. Yeah, he designed the snowflake wheels, which is pretty cool. I didn't actually know that until I was a little bit older and everything. So he bought this kit for me and asked me to build it for him so that he could have a replica of the car that has his wheels on it. So anyway, let me just take you around the car here. We'll keep this video short, like I said, because there's not a ton of stuff to show. So there's kind of a side angle view. Looks really good. So the kit comes with the option of lowering the front end just a little bit. There's like 2 holes that you can add the rotor to, or not the rotor, but the hub to. And one's a little bit higher. So I went with the one that lowered the front end just a little bit. I felt like it looked better. A lot of models just seem to ride a little high, and so this was nice because it gave you that option to kind of bring it down, make it look a little more natural. So has a very slight rake to the front of it. You can't really tell though because it's just very, very, very small. It makes it look good. Let's see, here is the rear end. Kind of dark there, but let's see if I can bring that back a little bit. There we go. So we have a license plate on there right here. It's got a metal frame around it, or aluminum photo etch frame. That's a piece from Pontiac Model Parts. Makes those really cool little frames that go around the license plates. Just adds a little touch to it that I like. Let's see, here is the other side. So the wheels do roll on this one, since I just went with the stock locations that came with the kit. So actually has rolling wheels. Most of the time I glue the wheels in so they don't roll, but a lot of times it has to do because I modify the ride height or I don't use the wheels that come with the kit. And there we go. You guys can see there is the fire chicken on the front, or fire hawk, whatever you want to call it. There, the decals on this kit are not the easiest to put on. So it's got all of that on there. We've got decals all around the back window, decals all along the side windows there. It has a buku of those little pinstriping decals, and they are not the easiest decals to put on, that's for sure. But we got them. Here's the bottom. Pretty basic and stock. Nothing crazy. The only thing I did do is I took some aluminum tube that I had, and I built some, or I bent it so it looks like some, down pointing exhaust instead of just the plastic ends that usually come with kits. Just looks a little bit better, and again, just adds a little touch to it. So, but yeah, bottom is pretty much stock. Nothing special going on there. So let me just take you in here to the engine and let you see what that looks like, and then we'll be done. Alright, so there is the engine. Again, nothing special. It's pretty stock. This hood actually doesn't come off too easy, so typically I would do this with the hood off so you could see it better, but this is pretty much the best we're going to get. Once this hood goes on, it is very hard to get off again. But you can see we've got some plug wires in there. That is a Pontiac distributor and wiring kit. It's got some wiring looms on it from Pontiac again as well. The rest of this engine is completely just stock. Nothing more, nothing less, just straight from the kit, and that's it. So anyway, it's a short video, guys, but this one's all done, buttoned up, heading it out to my dad, so I'm going to get off of here and get ready to head off that way. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll have some more stuff coming up. I did get tagged to do a video on my other hobbies, so that will be coming soon as well. I'll try to get that filmed maybe later today and get that uploaded. So with that being said, guys, stay safe out there. Eat, sleep, styrene, and keep building those awesome models, and I'll see you guys in a later video.